First, we are going to start with vinegar and put 1/4 cup of vinegar into the first bowl with nothing in it. Close up the vinegar and put off to the side for later use. Then we are going to put 1 tablespoon of salt into the first bowl with vinegar and mix it around to mix the vinegar and salt together. Next, we're going to add some pennies that are very dull and tarnished into the bowl of vinegar and salt to clean the pennies.
As you can tell, the pennies are semi getting clean as we take a little longer in the salt and vinegar water, and then after a little bit we will transfer the pennies over to the bowl of water where they will be washed off and then dried onto this paper towel.
Next, we are going to transfer each penny from the bowl of vinegar and salt water over to the bowl with water to clean off the penny. By transferring each penny, make sure you flip over each penny and move them around so they are not touching in the bowl of water. Finally, after a few minutes, take the pennies out of the water and put them over to the paper towel for them to dry. Make sure you separate the pennies enough so they will dry, and then observe the differences from the beginning before you put them in till now. We will now do the same thing as last time by adding more pennies to the bowl of vinegar and salt to clean the pennies again. Instead of putting each penny into the bowl of water, we will skip the water process and dry the pennies out by itself. So take each penny out of the bowl of vinegar and salt and skip the water and put it on the paper towel to dry. We will let each penny dry and observe the differences. As you can see, the first 3 pennies were the ones that we started with that are very dark, dull, and tarnished. And then the next row are the pennies that we put in the bowl of vinegar and salt to clean them off, and then transferred them over to the water to clean off the vinegar and salt, and then let them dry on the paper towel. Then the next row are the pennies that we put in the vinegar and salt, but then skipped the water process, which was used for cleaning off the vinegar and salt, but then instead let them dry on the paper towel. If you look very closely at the 2 pennies, there are some dark and green spots that still have some acid built up on the pennies because the water was not able to clean off the vinegar and salt. And then the bottom 2 pennies was the goal that we wanted to make the pennies look like after the cleaning process.